Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Civic Toolbox. Today we're tackling a super easy way to make your voice heard, to amplify your voice, and influence policy. If you've ever felt like your opinion doesn't matter or that contacting your representatives is too complicated, I am here to tell you that it is just not true. I want to show you an awesome tool I found called 5 Calls. It's designed to make calling your representatives super simple, quick, super effective, and there are just so many issues that need our attention. Now, I'm going to pick an issue that's important to me, and that is the Department of Education. So by going to 5 Calls, before we start, it's going to want to know where you live. So you're going to want to put in your zip code so it can find the right representative for you. And boom, here are my representatives. Now look, 5 Calls gives you all their phone numbers, and there's a pre-written script you can use. Of course, feel free to personalize it. I will probably embellish a little bit myself, but this is a great starting point if you are not sure what to say. And that's all that's left to do. I usually just read the script, and a staffer who answers will take down my opinion, or you'll leave a voicemail. That will probably happen half the time, but it just takes a minute or two per call. So let's give it a try. I'm going to call Dick Durbin.
You have reached Senator Durbin's Washington, D.C. office. Office hours are Monday through Friday.
This call will be recorded.
6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you have reached this message during business hours, please hang up and try your call later as we are experiencing high call volume. Thank you for calling Senator Durbin's office.
If that happens, try again.
Senator Durbin's office.
Hi, I'd like to leave a message for Mr. Durbin.
Certainly, I can take that down whenever you're ready.
Okay, so my name is, I'm a constituent from, and I'm calling to demand Senator Durbin oppose Linda McMahon for Secretary of Education. Is he planning on voting for Linda McMahon? Do you know?
I will, real quick, check back at our press releases, but I can absolutely register your concern.
Okay.
All I would need from you, sir, is a zip code.
Yeah. One other thing. I'm quite upset because, am I to understand he voted for the Secretary of the Army, which was J.D. Vance's friend?
Mm-hmm.
Why did he do this?
There has been no statement made on candidate Douglas, therefore I cannot release his opinions on that one.
That is very frustrating. I would urge Senator Durbin to say no to all of Trump's nominees. The nominee, I'm sorry. The nominees were chosen for their loyalty to Trump, not the American people, the Constitution, and I believe are unfit to serve. So
I can absolutely track down that concern as well.
I appreciate that. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great week.
You too. Have a great day.
All right, bye. Now, it's about a 50-50 chance you're going to get a voicemail. It happens, and that's okay. Always leave your zip code and your name, and leave your message. Someone's going to dictate or record your message. And what I really like about 5 Calls is that it's just easy to jump back in, choose another call, choose another topic to call about. You can make several calls in just a few minutes. Just hit the next button to go to the next representative. And remember now, calling your representative is really about volume. If you want to be heard, if you want your voice to be amplified, your voice gets louder when we all do this as a collective action. So get your friends, get your neighbors, get everyone, and share 5 Calls to make it really easy to hear your voice heard. So that's it. Using 5 Calls is one of the most direct and effective ways to make your voice heard by your representatives. So give it a try today. Let us know in the comments, what issues you're calling about. All right, well, that's going to do it for me today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Civic Toolbox.